how to identify and tackle risks in your quality assurance process. Do you know where the biggest risks are hiding in your quality assurance process? What if you could identify and address them before they disrupt your business? Quality assurance is about more than fixing problems. It's about preventing them before they happen. Today, I guide you through the steps to identify risks and show you how tools like failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, and a simple risk matrix can help you tackle them efficiently. Step 1. Map your processes. Start by mapping your quality assurance processes from start to finish. Identify every step where things could go wrong, whether it's a missed quality check, unclear responsibilities, or a lack of resources. For example, let's say your quality assurance process involves receiving raw materials, production, and final inspection. Each step, ask yourself, what could fail? Why might it fail? And what would be the impact? Step 2. Once you've mapped your processes, you can use failure mode and effects analysis or FMEA to dive deeper. Here's how. First, list potential failures. Write down all possible ways each step in your process could fail. For instance, raw materials arriving late, defects during production, incomplete final inspections. Second, evaluate the risks. For each failure mode, rate it using these criteria: severity or S. How serious is the impact if this failure occurs? Occurrence or O. How likely is this failure to happen? Detection or D. How easy is it to detect before it causes an issue? Third, calculate the risk priority number, RPN. Multiply severity by the occurrence by the detection, and then focus on addressing the risks with the highest RPN scores first. If FMEA feels too detailed for your needs, use a simple risk matrix. A simple risk matrix is a great alternative. First, create your matrix. Draw a grid with likelihood and impact, rating them with low, medium, and high. Plot each risk. Place each identifying risk on the grid based on how likely it is to happen and how severe its impact would be. Risks in the high impact and high likelihood quadrant are your top priorities. Plan mitigation actions. For each high priority risk, define clear actions to reduce its likelihood or impact. For example, for late raw materials, you can build a buffer stock or engage multiple suppliers. For production defects, you can implement automated quality checks. For incomplete inspections, you can provide training and clear SOP to ensure consistency. Regularly review your risks and update your mitigation plans as your processes evolve. Identifying and tackling quality assurance risks isn't about prevention, it's about building a system that's resilient and adaptable. First, map your processes to spot vulnerabilities. Second, use FMEA to evaluate risks with detailed criteria. Third, apply a simple risk matrix for quick prioritization. Fourth, create and monitor mitigation plans for high priority risks. With these tools, you'll not only minimize disruptions but also drive continuous improvement in your quality assurance process. If this video gave you actionable insights, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest quality assurance risk? And how do you handle it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Souha BEL HAJ MESSAOud, a quality assurance and sustainability expert passionate about making quality management practical and impactful. Follow me for more tips and strategies to strengthen your processes and operations. Thank you. See you on the next topic.